Emergency care, no? Ito po yung madalas ka naririnig natin na, naku, emergency, kailangan dalhin sa ospital. At syempre, gusto mo yung pinakamalapit at magagandang ospital. Ngayon po, ang benefits sa emergency care covered yung physician services, medicines utilized during treatment for immediate relief, task dressings and sutures, oxygen and IV fluids, saka yung mga test, x-ray, laboratory, and other diagnostics directly related to the emergency management of the patient. At yun nga po, pagka sa accredited hospital, wala na po tayong babayaran kasi i-charge natin sa ating health card. Yan. In areas with no accredited hospitals, halimbawa po sa lugar nyo, wala pang accredited hospital, yun nga, kailangan emergency care, maaari po magpagamot doon and Kaiser will reimburse up to 100% of consumed portion or its maximum amount. Dahil wala nga pong accredited hospital. Pero kung sa lugar nyo nga walang accredited hospital, you just get the HMO contact ng hospital, ibibigay natin sa Kaiser at i-accredit ng Kaiser yung hospital na yun. Kasi gusto ng Kaiser is basta may member sa lugar, may hospital na accredited na maaring puntahan. May isang recent case nga po, bakit itong magandang hospital hindi pa accredited? Oh, so sinabi sa Kaiser, within 1 week na accredit yung hospital. Pero doon sa mga lugar na accredited hospitals, halimbawa po, may accredited hospital pero hindi nyo doon dinala yung pasyente o may nagdalang ibang tao kasi hindi niya alam kung ano yung accredited sa hindi accredited, i-reimburse up to 80% ng total hospital bill inclusive of professional fees. Pero babayaran lang po to kung ma-verify na ang paggamit ng non-designated provider ay mag-entail ng delay resulting in death, disability, and significant jeopardy to the member's condition, or if the choice of hospital was beyond the control of the member or the member's family.